What's up, everyone? Alright, so before we begin this video, if you have not already seen my video on how to load data into our table view, I'll put the link in the description so you can do that. Without that, this video right here won't make a lot of sense. But basically what this video is just going to be how to spice up, so to speak, your table view, or how to make the UI look a little bit nicer. So as you can see at the end of our video, in my previous one, we just had an image loaded in here and then a label, and then we had a refresh button into a table view, and then I took that and I turned it into this currently, with just a few minor changes I'm going to show you guys. So let's jump into Xcode, and the first thing right off the bat that you see is I just changed the pictures that I loaded in. So in our dashboard here, I just added nicer quality pictures than that real pixelated one. Secondly, what I did is I added an image view right here of a flame, and then it has a numeric value to the right of it, which basically represents like a trending or a favorite kind of method. And basically to do that, all I did was I drug a small image view and I put it into our cell, and then I drug in a label right next to it, and then I made two outlets for them, and then we pulled the text for our label right here. We pull that from parse, and that's in our meals table view controller, so I'll show you that here. And that's right here. So cell.likes label.text equals object for key votes as string. So it pulls the number of votes it has from this right here, this votes column. And then we also, instead of just a single label, we also now have a text view, which gives us the ability to scroll if it's more than a line or two of text, which is nice. Like for here, I just have a quote, and here's a quote as well, but this one's only one line. And then lastly, what I did was you can also click on the cells now. So if we click on this first one of the Paris, it says we must let go. You click on it, it loads the image, and then it has the same quote or same text as the previous. And you can go back and forth just like that. Then if you click on this one, it'll load the appropriate text and appropriate image. And basically to accomplish that, all we did was in our main.storyboard, we drug in a new view controller, which is right here. And then we drug in an image view and a text view, and we set those constraints. And then we created this outlet right here, or this connection from our table view here to this view controller, and then we set the identifier for that to show detail, and I'll show you why in a minute. So let's jump into our meals table view controller, and then inside here we now have did select row, and what that does is basically it'll perform that show detail, that our identifier that I just showed a minute ago. It'll perform that right here, and then when it performs that, it'll jump down to here, and basically that's where it sets our image view and our title right here, or our text view right here. So that's where it pulls that from. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching this quick video. I just want to show you what you could do really quickly. Yeah, if there's anything else you want to know, comment below. As always, comment if you want the source code, and have a good one, guys. Thanks.